Hey everyone, I'm Eddie Scandura. Today, we'll be riding Metrolink's 91 Perris Valley line from its western terminus at Los Angeles Union Station to its eastern terminus in southern Perris. But first, here's a brief history and some key facts about the commuter rail line. The 91 Perris Valley line is a commuter rail line operated by Metrolink, also known as the Southern California Regional Rail Authority, that connects Los Angeles to Perris and cities in between. As the seventh line in Metrolink's commuter rail system, the 91 line, the name at the time, began service in May 2002, servicing 6 stations on the Orange County and Inland Empire Orange County lines. From 2002 to 2016, trains on the 91 line started at Los Angeles' Union Station and continued east to downtown Riverside, running along California State Highway's 91 corridor. In June 2016, the 91 line extended south from the Riverside downtown station through the Perris Valley to its eastern terminus in southern Perris, adding 4 new stations to the route. Metrolink renamed the commuter rail line to the 91 Perris Valley line following the expansion for its namesake. 91 Perris Valley line provides commuter rail service to Los Angeles, Norwalk, Buena Park, Fullerton, Corona, Riverside, Moreno Valley, and Perris. The 91 Perris Valley line starts service at 4:37 a.m., traveling from southern Perris to Los Angeles, and terminates service at 7:41 p.m., traveling from Los Angeles to Riverside on weekdays. Weekend service starts at 7:07 a.m., with trains traveling from southern Perris to Los Angeles, and terminates service at 9:39 p.m., traveling from Los Angeles to southern Perris. Riding the entirety of the 91 Perris Valley line takes, on average, 2 hours and 10 minutes to travel its 83.8 mile, 134.9 kilometer route from Los Angeles Union Station to the Perris South Station and vice versa. Trains on the 91 Perris Valley line operate at speeds of 33.8 miles per hour, 61 kilometers an hour. Thanks for tuning in, and let's go ahead and start the ride. The Orange County line connects Los Angeles to Oceanside and cities in between. Inland Empire Orange County line connects Oceanside to San Bernardino. The Riverside line connects Los Angeles to Riverside and cities in between. Orange County Transportation Authority, OCTA, or OCTA, and Metrolink have planned the construction of an infill station in Placentia, serving the communities of Anaheim, Fullerton, Placentia, and Yorba Linda. OCTA buses will expand to include the new station to increase mobility and provide connections to local destinations. The station will expand the Metrolink system in Orange County, providing local residents and commuters greater accessibility to other rail stations in Southern California.